Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf here from Techdroids, and this is the Xiaomi Mi Band 3, a budget fitness tracker that retails for 2000 rupees in India. And welcome to my full review. In this video, I'll tell you guys if the 2000 rupees you spend on this band are actually worth it. Now, starting off the unboxing, kudos to Xiaomi for, doing the packaging really well. It's presented really well. Opening up the box, first things first, you have the Mi Band 3 itself, well protected and well presented. Below that, let's get to the other accessories, that is the strap. So this is the black strap. Very good quality, pretty comfortable to wear, and also has a lot of adjustment for the biggest and the smallest of hands. Next up, you have the charging cable. So yeah, this is proprietary. It'll only work with the Mi Band 3 and not with the other Mi Bands. And yeah, it's pretty short and pretty handy. And the last thing in the box is a user manual that lets you know about the Mi Fit app, where to download it and things like that. Getting to the Mi Band 3 itself, specs wise, it has a 0.78-inch OLED display with a 110 mAh battery, and in my opinion, this is a really good spec at this price. An OLED display is totally appreciated. It gets really bright indoors, but outdoors it is really tough to see. So yeah, one thing that you might improve Xiaomi is the brightness on this display. Everything else is pretty good. It's a touch screen, it's plenty sharp, so yeah, text is very sharp. And taking the band out of the strap and putting it back in also feels really easy and convenient. The build quality of the band itself is really good, and this is also water resistant or waterproof this time around, up to 5 ATMs. That's a really good spec for 2000 rupees. Now, talking about some of the key features of the Mi Band 3, first up, it has that beautifully curved OLED display. Next up, it has a heart rate monitor. It can show you notification, it can track steps, burn calories, and just basic fitness things. I'm not a fitness freak, so this is going to be a review from a smartwatch perspective or smart band perspective. I did use the fitness features, but I'm not a pro at doing fitness activities, so you should watch some other reviews that review the Mi Band 3 from that perspective. But yeah, I think this acts as a smartwatch as well, gives you notification, and also some other features include Find My Device. You can change the sound profile of the phone, maybe to silent or ringing or vibrate from the Mi Band 3 itself. It's also got 3 different watch faces, so yeah, you can choose what suits your liking. The band also shows weather, it also has a stopwatch, and that kind of wraps up the features on the band itself. But the Mi Band 3 experience does not end there. You're not even using the band's full potential if you haven't downloaded the Mi Fit app. It's a really good app, very intuitive. They can make it simple for beginners and first time users. I got used to it. It syncs via Bluetooth and syncs all the information from the band to the app itself, so you can see detailed graphs and stats of your steps, your calories, all your activities and things like that. It also has sleep monitoring, so it'll let you know when you had deep sleep, when you slept, how long you slept, when you had light sleep, and also some wakeful moments in the night. You can also activate features such as unlocking your phone from the Mi Band 3 itself, race to wake, and app alerts, and so many other features that the Mi Band 3 has, and I highly recommend downloading the Mi Fit app. And to conclude this review, from a fitness perspective, it's not the most accurate band out there, but it's pretty consistent. So if you set a goal and you are working towards it, it's going to motivate you towards that goal. The Mi Band 3 and the Mi Fit app this time around has some social features as well, like other competitors. And from a smart band or smartwatch perspective, it also delivers you notifications, and it is pretty connected to your phone, and it is offering a lot of features for that 2000 rupee price point. So in my opinion, you can totally go ahead and buy it, even if you're not a fitness freak. It just looks good while you're wearing it, and also has some really good features. And that kind of wraps it up for this review, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and if this video was helpful or entertaining in any way, go ahead and smash the like button. I did work hard a lot on this one. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about the Mi Band 3, if you own one, if you're gonna buy one, all your thoughts. I'll be replying to you guys if you have any questions or queries. Subscribe to the channel and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.